sharp.
Hold on a second.
There's players already in the helo.
I think so.
That's human.
On the roof.
Friendly
Requesting
UAV
recon
on
in my
station.
location.
Alright, there you go.
There they are, on the UAV. We're in the heli. We go down in the truck. Take the 2 trucks down. We're not gonna make it with the AI. Let's go now. Brian's push. Go, 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 taking fire.
Go.
Taking round.
Molotov! Get back!
Save the turret for the heli.
Yeah, if you line it up right.
Make use of the AI. Make use of the AI. Right, in the helo, I'm gonna pull alongside it. Shoot inside it, inside. One more.
Suspects out!
I'll save your ass for that one.
3 down.
Are they all down? Can I get out? Safe?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Oh, let's loot up. Any 3 plates?
Buckle on them.
Here.
Where's the 3 plate? Oh, it's under there. Alright. Got it. Loot up.
Yep.
Loot up.
Shit, man.
Nice team.
Backpack.
Ultra One, Dino 4. We're being ordered out of the AO. We can't stay here.
I don't know. I finally did.
Weapons, man. Shit.
They're probably angry right now.
Oh yeah, they're very angry. You know it. That was.
But
a
you
team-
don't sit in the helicopter with 60, 70 seconds left.
No, they were. I don't know why they had so much gear and they don't know that rule, right?